How to calculate the amount of carbon dioxide produced when 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. Now first of all, I need to write down the equation of burning of carbon in air. Now how can I translate this equation in words? In words, how can I say 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. How do I say 1 mole? Because there's nothing, no number written over here, so that means it is 1, right? So how will I say 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide? I can translate this statement in terms of mass also. How? Let me rewrite this equation first. Okay, we know that the mass of carbon is 12 gram in 1 mole. You can also write 12 gram per mole. Mass of oxygen atom is 16 gram per mole. So the mass of O2 molecule will be 32 gram per mole. I am not writing per mole in order to save space here. Okay, carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon dioxide. How will I find the mass of carbon dioxide? We have learned in class 9th how to calculate molar masses. So I am directly writing 44 grams. You can calculate it on your own. So how can I translate this statement now in terms of grams? I can say 12 grams of carbon reacts with 32 grams of dioxygen to produce 44 grams of carbon dioxide, right? Now can I directly write, if I am only writing the relationship between carbon and carbon dioxide, I would write 12 gram of carbon produces 44 grams of carbon dioxide, right? 12 grams of carbon is producing 44 grams of carbon dioxide. 12 grams of carbon. Now we know that 12 grams of carbon is present in 1 mole of carbon. So in place of this, I can also write 1 mole of carbon produces 44 grams of carbon dioxide. That is what was asked to me in the question. What was asked? Amount of carbon dioxide produced. Amount of carbon dioxide produced when 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. When 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. Similarly, you can also relate oxygen with carbon dioxide. In that case, I would write 32 grams of dioxygen produces 44 grams of carbon dioxide. So I can also write 1 mole of dioxygen produces 44 grams of carbon dioxide.